Hi everyone, welcome to another drawing session. In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color a beautiful squirrel easy. So, let's start. First, I am drawing the basic outline with using pencil like this. A round shape for the head, and here somewhat small round shape, and here also a round shape. These are different sizes, and eyes, and this one for leg. It's so much easy drawing with basic outlines, so I use them. And here for the nose and the hand. So let's draw with marker pen. If you like, you can use pencil also for the drawing, but here I use marker pen. If you use pencil, you can erase your mistakes also, but here I can't. The nose and the mouth, the eye, here eyebrow somewhat, and the ears like this. And we can draw the squirrel with these basic outlines easily. I hope beginners can also draw this with this technique. The hand, the tail, here I add other line also for the tail because it's look like so much small. I want fat tail, so I add other line like this. You can also add. After that, I erase the pencil lines like this and add other details what I forgot. Here I draw the tree branch after I draw the squirrel. Here, oh, a leg I forgot. Somewhat big tree branch. If you like, you can draw the tree branch before draw the squirrel also. Here I add few lines through the tree branch. Here, the leaves, I add bunch of leaves. Here the fruit. I love these fruits because they are so much easy but beautiful and cute. Here also a fruit, and here bunch of leaves. If you like, you can use few leaves also. So we finish our squirrel drawing. Let's color it. I normally use color pencils for color my art. If you like, you can use any other also. Firstly, I add brown color as a deep layer in outline like this, and other places as a light layer. After that, I add orange color somewhat as a light layer in the face, and yellow color. I add yellow color as a deep layer all over the face like this. In the ear also, and white color somewhat. Here I add brown color again somewhat. You can add as you wish. The nose, the eye, I use light blue for the eye. It's so much cute. So again for the body, I add brown color as a deep layer to light layer like this. Not all over the squirrel as a deep layer brown color. But if you like, you can use. Maybe you will think this is somewhat different or got so much times like that. But art is a enjoyable thing, relaxing thing, our mind. So let's take some few minutes for our art. Use color combinations for our colorings. After we finish our art, it may be wonderful. So after that, I add for the tail also brown color. In the tail beginning place, I use somewhat as a deep layer brown color. After that, I add orange color in the tail and the body also. This one also as a light layer, not all over the squirrel also. Here. And after that, I add yellow color. These colors are same to face. We add yellow color as a deep layer. In tail also. After that, white color like this. Here. And in the tail also somewhat. Don't think about small mistakes. Coloring should be relaxing and enjoyable also. And in this place, I use black color as a deep layer. I got around 15 minutes to this, so I level up the speed for the video. If you have any other favorite colors, you can use. Feel free to use your favorite colors. Here the tree branch. I normally use few colors for color tree branch. Here firstly I use purple color as a deep layer to light layer with starting in a side. After that I add brown color. This one also deep layer to light layer like this. Many of people use brown color only for the branch, but with color combination it's beautiful than one color. After that I add orange color somewhat as a light layer like this, and yellow color somewhat as a deep layer, and after that I add again somewhat brown color, and here I use somewhat white color. Let's color the leaves. When I color bunch of leaves, I normally use three colors for them. Firstly I use dark blue as a deep layer to light layer. After that I add dark green. This one also deep layer to light layer. Like this. After that I add yellow color. If you like, you can use one color for the leaves also. But here I use three colors. Dark green and light green also suitable. Here. As same to the first one. Like this. I love these color combinations. The fruit, firstly I add light green in top of the fruit. After that I color fruits with red color. Not all over the red color, I save a small spot in a corner like this. I add yellow color in that places. So we finish our squirrel. Let me know what you would like to see next. Thank you.